Take a look at this question from the IIT JEE Advanced exam in 2024. We're given a pretty difficult tan expression. We're given inverse sine and inverse cosine, and we have to find the value of tan of this large expression. So let's take a look at it and see what we can do. The first step that we can do is to kind of break the -2 arc cosine 2 over root 5 into something that's a little bit more manageable. So we'll keep everything else the same. And now instead of writing this as 2 cosine inverse, we'll write negative cosine inverse and then another negative cosine inverse. Now there are 3 terms within this tan function, so we're going to break it into 2 sets of 2. We're going to start with these two, right? So it's going to be let's call this A and let's call this B. So the final answer, tan of this, is going to just be tan A plus tan B, or actually because it's minus B, it'll be tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is just the angle addition formula for tan. So that's what we're going to use, except to find A, we actually have to use that within A as well. So let's do that separately. Let's take this down over here. Let's call x sine inverse of 3/5 and let y equal cosine inverse of 2 over root 5. Now we have to do tangent of x not plus y but x minus y, and this is just tan x minus tan y over 1 plus tan x tan y. And we can actually figure out what tan of x and tan of y will be, because this over here is the 3, 4, 5 triangle. So if sine is 3 and if sine is 3 over 5, cosine will have to be 4 over 5. So tan of x will be 3 over 5 over 4 over 5, which is 3/4. So tan x equals 3/4. Similarly over here, by the Pythagorean theorem, you know that cosine, if cosine of y is 2 over root 5, sine of y will be 1 over root 5. So tangent of y will just be 1 over root 5 divided by 2 over root 5, which is 1 over 2. So tan of y equals 1/2. Now we can plug this in. So what is tan x minus tan y? That's 3/4 minus 1/2 divided by 1 plus 3/4 times 1/2. So that gives us 1/2 divided by, and in the denominator we get, I think, let's see, so this will give us 1 plus 3 over 8, so that's 11 over 8. And what does this become? Sorry, the numerator is 1/4, right? This is 1/4. This entire thing, so I'll just write that a little neater, this is 1 over 4. And so this entire thing becomes 2 over 11. Okay, so we finally got that. That means tan A equals 2 over 11. What about tan B? Well, tan B is actually just going to be the same exact thing as tan of y, right? So that's 1/2. Because remember that these two things are the exact same. This and this are the exact same. So now it's 2 over 11 and 1/2. We just use the same exact formula once again. 2 over 11 minus 1/2 divided by 1 plus 2 over 11 times 1/2. And let's see what we get here. The numerator becomes, well, we can take out a negative, and now it's 1/2 minus 2 over 11. And we're dividing by 1 plus 2 over 11 times 1 over 2 is just 1 over 11. The numerator is now, so let's continue it over here. We get 11 minus 4 divided by 22. Whole thing is divided by 12 over 11. So we have 7 over 22. There's a negative in front, divided by 24 over 22. And so the final answer is just -7 over 24. And with that, we're done. So if you go up, there was an option for that. So the option will be right here, B, and that will give you +3 points on the exam. Great job. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.